Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making sangria, a summertime drink right in time for 4th of July. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so here are some of the ingredients we're going to use. This is at least 3 peaches that I cut up. Then I have some pineapple, and then we have some fresh strawberries that I'm going to go ahead and cut them up. So we're going to cut up about, let's say 5 strawberries, because this is not going to be a big bottle of sangria. Okay guys, so now we have the fresh peaches, we have the pineapple, and we have the strawberries. We're gonna go ahead and add it into the jar. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a muddler and we're gonna go ahead and muddle it just a little bit to bring out some of that flavor. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and add some peach schnapps. And we're not measuring, we're just gonna go ahead and just pour. That's good. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some Ciroc. This is the twist that I'm gonna do. So you don't have to do this, you can use any vodka, but this is what I'm gonna do, which is Summer Watermelon. And like I said, we don't measure over here that much. Pour that in. That should be good. And last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and add some Moscato. You can use any type of Moscato, but we're gonna go with Arbor, which is mango strawberry flavor. And guys, we're just gonna go ahead and chug. Chug, 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 chug. Almost the whole bottle is gone. Then we're gonna go ahead and give it a stir. And that is it, guys. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next video. Bye.